In this video, I'm going to take you through the analysis of the GBP USD currency pair, and I'm going to start my analysis from the daily time frame. So the pound has been bullish. The whole of last week we were bullish, and on the daily time frame you can see we are making a break of structure to the upside, and we are currently still bullish on the daily time frame. Now if I move down to the 4-hour time frame, you now get to see what I'm saying in a much clear way. You can see that right here we got first break of structure to the upside, or you can call it the change of character, whichever one you choose. I choose to mark it as a break of structure. Price give us a retracement and push to the upside. Okay, so price reacted in this breaker block. Okay, there's this hidden breaker block right here, if you can see very well right there. Yes, price reacted from that specific zone and gave us a push to the upside. So we got another break of structure to the upside right here. And price has been very much bullish. Yes, another break of structure. We have another break of structure right here. We got another break of structure, though yet not, the candle never closed up. Yes, it closed above. It closed above. So that is another break of structure right there. When you move to the 1-hour time frame, you can see that 1-hour time frame is still very much bullish, and price has been giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows. Here we got a mitigation into a breaker block. Yes, this one was our breaker block, and price mitigated the zone and pushed to the upside. Again, right here we got a retracement into a discounted level and pushed price to the upside. This is our last demand area where price reacted from and pushed to the upside. So currently we are in this zone. If you extend this to this side, we are still in this zone. So we got that reaction. Right here we got our change of character and price proceeded to the upside. Okay, internal break of structure, we will name that a change of character, since it was a pullback into the demand zone and gave us that change of character, came back, retested, and pushed higher. Okay, so we got another break of structure to the upside. Okay, so you can see that the pound is very much bullish, and I would advise not to take any sales unless we get confirmations. Okay, so the only possible point I'll be taking an entry from is this demand area right here. You can see that that is our demand area, and price should come and mitigate that particular area and then continue to the upside. Okay, so when I go back lower in the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that it is very much clear. Even we do have some liquidity right below that order block. Okay, that one will be our liquidity. Okay, let's mark that as our liquidity. So my anticipation on the pound come the open of market next week, I want to see a pullback, and then price should come below this into that demand, and then give me a confirmation for me now to target the buy side liquidity. Okay, I'll be targeting this buy side liquidity. Okay, yes, so I'm very much bullish on the pound come next week if I get a confirmation in that zone, and I'll be targeting that high. Okay, that one will give me 1:4 risk reward ratio. Okay, that is a very clean trade, and if you get proper confirmation on your lower time frame, which in my case I normally use 5 minutes for my entries, that one, if I get that confirmation, I'll be taking the buys. Okay, as always, I advise you not to rush your trades. Keep calm, be patient, and let the market play out, and then you only react to what the market is doing. Do not try to predict the market. and ensure you have proper risk management. Okay, always make your trades simple, guys. I keep telling you that, and not to complicate your charts. You can see how clean my chart is. Okay, you just identify your order blocks, liquidity, fair value gaps. Okay, you can see in this scenario we do have a fair value gap right on this candle. Okay, so once price comes into your zone, you move to a lower time frame, get your confirmations, and take your entries. Okay, don't complicate this game. Do proper risk management and make your money. With that said, see you in my next video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay.